Ever struggle with messy spray bottles in your garden? Plants, weeds, cleaning? Too many tools, not enough solutions. I used to juggle multiple sprayers, always leaking or clogging. Refilling tiny bottles every few minutes got old fast. Spraying weeds meant constant pumping and tired hands. Cleaning patio furniture? My old sprayer barely reached. Then I discovered the Chapin 1002 multi-purpose sprayer. Made in the USA, built tough for real-life jobs. It's heavy duty, no leaks, no cracks, no flimsy parts. Holds a generous 48 ounces, so fewer refills. Perfect for spraying plants, flowers, weeds, and cleaning. Red and white design is easy to spot and stylish. Ergonomic handle feels comfortable, even during long tasks. Adjustable nozzle lets you switch from mist to stream. I fill it up, twist the top, and I'm ready. For plant care, I use a gentle mist. No damage. For weeds, I switch to a direct, powerful stream. Cleaning patio chairs, the sprayer covers every angle easily. No more sore hands. The pump action is smooth. The translucent tank lets me see how much is left. I can mix fertilizers, pesticides, or cleaning solutions safely. It's lightweight, so I move around the yard effortlessly. Even my kids can help water the flowers with it. After spraying, cleanup is quick. Just rinse and store. No leftover residue, no chemical smells lingering. I've used it for indoor plants and outdoor landscaping. It's also great for disinfecting surfaces around the house. I love that it's made with quality American materials. The Chapin brand's been trusted for over a century. Whether you're a gardener or a DIY enthusiast, it fits. Homeowners appreciate its reliability and easy maintenance. I've recommended it to friends. They're all impressed. No more buying cheap sprayers that break after one season. This one lasts, even with frequent use and tough jobs. If you care about your plants, you need this sprayer. If you want clean outdoor spaces, it's a must-have. For pest control, it delivers precise, targeted coverage. Fertilizing is easier and more consistent every time. I keep mine in the garage, always ready to grab. The adjustable nozzle means one tool for many tasks. No more searching for the right sprayer each time. It's simple. Fill, pump, spray, done. Even cleaning the sprayer is hassle-free. The tank's large opening makes refilling easy and spill-free. I use it year-round, from spring planting to fall cleanup. It's sturdy enough to handle daily use, rain or shine. Great for small gardens, big yards, and everything between. If you're tired of weak sprayers, upgrade to Chapin. Your plants and your hands will thank you. Ready to make gardening and cleaning easier? Check out the Chapin 1002 on Amazon today. Enjoy fast shipping and exclusive deals with Amazon Prime. Join thousands of happy gardeners and homeowners. Spray smarter, not harder, with Chapin's multi-purpose sprayer. Don't wait. Give your garden the care it deserves. Click now and transform your outdoor routine. Before it sells out again, hit that link in the description and check it out.